at the Business Activity Monitoring module in the IntelliPro BPMS platform. Business Activity Monitoring module helps business users to gain real-time visibility into active work processes. Now, to showcase the Business Activity Monitoring's capability, let me quickly go ahead and select a process that we designed using our process composer. Now, this is a sample workflow of a purchase request. Now here, a business user raises a request which goes through 3 levels of approval, from the logistics to the marketing and to the finance. And once we get an approval from all these 3 departments, the request then goes to the director for an approval or for a rejection. Now let me quickly show you how you can easily go ahead and start the process. Now, clicking on the purchase request form, I'm going to go ahead and raise the purchase request. So let me key in the PR number, select an item, and give a PR date. Select the supplier and give a PR required date as well. I'm going to add a new customer to the form. I'm going to input the purchase order. And the information that we just filled in, like the item number, the supplier's name, the customer data, is being pulled from your external application. And now once I'm done with filling in the application here, I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And once the request is successfully submitted, let's assume it's been a couple of hours that I have not got any sort of intimation as to if the purchase request has been approved or rejected. Now this is where I will go ahead and click on Business Activity Monitoring to go ahead and monitor to see where my request is held at. Now what you see on the left hand side are basically the processes that I'm a part of. In this case, it's purchase request. Here you see the processes that are active and you see the processes that are already completed. So let me click on the active processes, and this is the request that I just submitted. So double clicking on the request, I get to this workflow where I can see my purchase request is held at. Now those green lines indicates that your request has been successfully submitted to the logistics, to the marketing, and to the finance department. Now the timer icon indicates that they haven't acted upon this particular request as of yet. Let's take this as a priority, and you need to intimate the logistics department head to go ahead and approve it. So clicking on the logistics human activity here, double clicking gives you the information as to who that individual is. In this case, it's Ethan Hunt. So what we're basically going to do here is call Ethan or send him an email asking him to approve it. And once you do that, now Ethan gets an intimation to go ahead and approve your request. So let me quickly log in as Ethan and show you how he approves it. Now this is Ethan's homepage. Now here you see that he's got a notification here. So let's click on the notification. And this is the request that you submitted. Ethan can see your form or purchase request form that you just submitted, and he can go ahead and give any sort of comments, and he can hit on submit. And after he submitted, as a user, you need to know where exactly your application or your request is held at. Now clicking again on BAM can give you insights or information as to where your process or your request is held at. Now if you see the workflow here, the green line has passed through the logistics, and now it's held at with the marketing and with the finance. Now if you see, the timer icon has been disappeared from the logistics human activity. Now this is how easily you'll be able to actively monitor your business processes and gain more control and visibility to bring in more efficiency into your business.